How to download and watch TikTok videos offline using the latest version of the TikTok app. Let's get started. First, open the TikTok app and find the video you want to save for offline viewing. Next, tap the Share button on the right side of the screen. If the creator has enabled downloads,
Will you see the download option?
tap on it, and the video will begin downloading to your phone. Once the download is complete, the video will be saved to your device's Gallery or Photos app. If you don't see the Save Video option, it means the creator has disabled downloads for that video. In that case, TikTok doesn't provide an official way to download it directly. To watch your downloaded video offline, simply open your phone's Gallery or Photos app and play the saved video anytime, even without an internet connection. And that's it. That's how you can download and watch TikTok videos offline. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more TikTok tips and easy how-to tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.